My name is Dr. Melissa Luke. My job title is Associate Veterinarian and Co-owner, and I've technically only been working here for a year since my husband and I bought the practice. I became interested in veterinary medicine when I was a kid. I grew up wanting to work with animals, either being a marine biologist, a veterinarian, or possibly a horse trainer. But as I got older, I realized I wanted to work with horses mostly, so I decided veterinarian was the best profession. The type of education I received to become a veterinarian, my route was a little bit unconventional than the normal route. I went to undergrad at the University of Michigan for 4 years, and then I worked for the Walt Disney World company for a year. That was in Orlando, Florida. Then I decided to move back to Kansas to take classes to become a veterinarian, which took me another 2 years at Kansas State. Then I received my application or my acceptance into veterinary medicine at Kansas State, and that was 4 years of veterinary medicine. So my total undergraduate time with vet school as well was 11 years. I just really wanted to be in school. The best part about my job is obviously being able to work with horses, but also I really like working with the people too. It's not just about the animals, you have to be able to talk with the people, so I love the combination of both being able to be with the animal and the person. Unfortunately, the most challenging part of my job is that veterinary medicine does come with some disappointments and sadnesses. You have to be able to work with those challenges that come across because you don't have control over everything. Some things are just out of your control and happen no matter what you do, and you just have to be able to handle that disappointment. What I enjoy about working in Clay Center, Clay County, is the people. We have felt so welcome from the moment we moved here, and we just absolutely love this community and what we can do for the community, but also what the community has done for us to allow this to happen. So we love being able to give back not only through our services, but also with support of this community because we just absolutely love it. What I would tell students who might want to become a veterinarian when they're older is get out and get involved. You gotta know if you can handle the job or what it entails. So either go job shadow a veterinarian or go get a vet clinic job, and that way you can see the day-to-day of what happens in a veterinary clinic. Also, the biggest thing is you gotta be able to talk with people. Like we said earlier, you gotta be able to communicate not only with the animals, signs and symptoms, but also the owner, because animals don't speak English anyway. And so the other part is you have to want to go to school. There's a lot of studying and a lot of school, and you have to be able to accept that. So biggest thing I just tell kids is get out there, get involved, and go do it.